go. Wait, yeah, go.
So I made the decision not to kite. The kite has fallen out of the sky 2 or 3 times now. And you can see I'm launching it. I'm launched there. But it's real. This is, by the way, this is Donner Lake, so it's known to be gusting. Now the kite's flying over my head, so I'm going to stall it out a bit by shooting in. And then I'm bring it back to the normal position. So, all that, I'm not going to kite today because I just don't learn on a little bit days. I can't come back to the sit back. That's how stupid it is. Just a problem they had. So, keep it going, man. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the kite around. Actually, what I'm going to do is we're actually that's not what I want to do. And I weigh 215, so I have a pretty big kite. So